Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your DOSS SoundBox Plus speaker with any Android phone or Android tablet. So first of all, before the pairing, you have to just click once on this power button, and then these lights will just turn on. And as you can see, in my case the speaker is already in the pairing mode, but for some reason, if it is not working in your case, you just have to click on this button once and then click and hold it for like 5 seconds until you hear the notification sound and get also this pairing like me. And then you just have to go to the Bluetooth on your device, go to the pair new device. Now just wait until your speaker pops on available devices list. As you can see on my second device, I already can find it. Let me just show you. There it is. Okay, it also show on this list. So click on it once. Let's try to repeat. For some reason it doesn't actually works. Let's try on the second phone. Okay, that's weird. Let's try to restart the speaker by the power button. Click on it once, then click a second time. Let's try to restart the Bluetooth on your phone. Maybe right now we can do this. Click to pair new device. Select SoundBox Plus from the list. And accept the pairing request. And as you can see right now, we are successfully connected, and that's all for this video. Hope you like it.